So I wanted to repost this video of the Love Me bob wig, which I did a year ago. So here you can see it came in two packages after taking it out the box. It come in two separate packages, so I'm going to open it up and see how it look. So here I am taking my scissor and I'm going to cut the packaging, and I'm taking out everything out of the package. And here we have some items that I've just taken out, and this is a hair bonnet. Ooh, look at the color, it's so pretty. It even matches my cardigan. I don't even think I realized that it matched my cardigan at the time that I opened it up. It's so pretty, such a pretty purple. And guys, here I'm just trying it on, even with my hair all done. You know, it's messing everything up, messing my hair up. But while I try on this bob wig, I will not be adjusting my hair. I'm gonna try everything on with my bun and everything. Okay, so here I'm trying to bun it again, and of course it's like messing my hair up terribly. So finally got it on, and look at that. This is such a nice bonnet. It is really nice. Definitely will keep your hair nice and neat whenever you put it on, and it's silky too. It's all silky and nice, so will keep your hair from frizzing out, from breaking as well. And here it comes with the Love Me items as well. Come with a bag with some items in it. Now it comes with this headband as well, leopard headband. And I guess that's, you can also wear this with the bob wig as well, kind of decorate your hair. It's really nice. It has that little velcro area at the back that you can just pull it and velcro it back together. That's really cute. I really like that. So that will look really good with like a black or leopard outfit, you know. Okay, leopard can pretty much be worn with almost any style, almost, when you think of it. It's really pretty. Now it also comes with the baby hair toothbrush. I love this. So it comes with the baby hair toothbrush, which has a comb, so you can really define your baby hair, make it really nice and neat and cute. You know, I really like that. So Love Me did their thing. They sent quite some supplies, which is really nice. I really like the supplies that they sent along with the bob wig. And now it also includes a wig cap as well. I think this came with about 2 wig caps in the package. You know, as you can see, they pretty nice wig caps. So it's a wig cap, and you can see it's a cream color wig cap. That's 2. Just took one off, and there's another one left on. The wig caps, and you know, pretty much you put on the wig cap before you put on the Love Me wig. And here I am putting on with my bun. My bun isn't getting very flat at all, not even with the wig cap. And here I am gonna open up the Love Me wig as well. And look at that box, look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, I just love the packaging. The purple with the bow. Oh, Love Me, you are so fabulous. The way they did the presentation is just so beautiful. That bow is just so pretty, and the box, I just love the way they did it. It's absolutely pretty. So here I'm basically opening up the box to show you what's inside, and there I took the cover off of the box, and this is how it looks on the inside before taking out the wig. So you see it has a little note, which is nice, a little wrapper, and there's the wig right there. So now, as you can see, it looks really good. It's packaged really well inside the box. And Love Me also has a little bag in which you can store the Love Me wig if you'd like, which is nice. Like if you're traveling or anything like that, that would be something nice to store it in if you aren't wearing it at the time that you're traveling with it. Which is really nice. And Love Me even included a note as well, and in addition to note, they included a code. They included a coupon card, so if I wanted to purchase more, I would be able to get some discount as well. So here's the wig right here, the bob wig, which is really nice, nicely packaged. So I'm just pulling it out, and look at it, right out the box, guys. Look at that. It looks so nice and neat. It doesn't look like it needs much work at all once you put it on. It's nice and neat. It's not all messed up and like, you know, deformed and stuff. So I'm just gonna put it on with even my bun at the back of my head. I'm not going to remove my bun. I'm not gonna lower it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And I'm gonna try on the Love Me wig. And guys, as you can see, it has the band to keep your hair in place at the back, nice and snug. And it also comes with the teat clip as well, that you can adjust in your hair to keep the wig in place, which is nice. And they come with multiple teeth at both sides, okay, one at each side, and the band at the back. I'm telling you, once you put this wig on, it really stays in place. And here I am trying it on. And guys, I'm no pro at fixing wigs, okay? You can see I'm just putting it on with my bun at the back. My hair isn't adjusted nor anything. And straight out the box, it looks good. I actually like it. I'm feeling myself a little bit right here. Absolutely feeling myself. There were some strands. That strand is actually from my own hair that I'm pulling. So here I did go and get my brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like style it a little, see how it looks. Guys, bear in mind that my bun is still all the way at the top of my head. You know, with all that, look at how nice and neat that looks. Look at how nice and neat that looks, even with little adjustment with my brush, okay? I just took it and put it on with my bun at the back. Nothing, I didn't need to curl it nor anything. I didn't need to straighten it. This is straight out the box, guys. And look at how beautiful that is. I am feeling myself, absolutely feeling myself here, guys. So guys, if you love this video, definitely like, share, and comment below what you think about your Love Me hair, if you bought it, if you got some as well. And share this video, guys. This hair is so flowing, it's so lightweight, it is just beautiful. And guys, do like and subscribe to this channel if this review has been helpful to you. And thank you so much for watching and subscribing.